Today I'd like to show you how to make thousands of dollars with CPA marketing. It is for beginners as well as for seasoned affiliate marketers or anyone who wants to make money doing CPA affiliate marketing. We will show you a website where you can go to find dozens of different places where you may advertise the CPA marketing products for free by posting free advertising. I'll also show you how to accomplish it regardless of where you are, because as you can see, this is applicable to any country, and I'll show you exactly how you can achieve it. So before we begin, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more strategies to earn online through affiliate markets. So you want to go to this website called CPAGrip.com. This is where you will receive your CPA offers. What exactly is CPA marketing? CPA marketing stands for Cost Per Action Marketing. So when you go to CPA Grip, it will take you to a website where you must fill out all your information to register. From there, it will take you to your back office. So from here, you should go to Offer Tools and click on My Offerings. And as you scroll down, you'll notice that there are various things you may promote from CPA Grip, all of which are distinct types of CPA marketing offers. You'll notice under the category that you have email submissions mobile installs, which implies that if they install the app, someone will earn 33 cents. I'm going to show you not only how to promote something globally, but also how to promote a variety of various offers with a single click. So if you scroll down, you'll see email submits, credit card submits, and if somebody submits a credit card, you or this person will receive $18.94 because credit card submissions pay the most because a lot of people don't like to put their details in. Email submissions, on the other hand, are much easier to obtain. So when you're over here, scroll up to the top, key in, and click on All Countries. Now this will give us a list of all the different things, and I'll show you two different ones you want to advertise. As you can see, once you've entered all countries, you'll have a variety of countries. You want to type in two distinct search phrases here. Gift cards are the first. So if you click on two gift cards, you'll notice various gift cards. People will offer their email addresses with a chance to win anything up to a $750 gift card or a $500 gift card, and you can scroll down and see a lot of opportunities. That's the first one. Okay, we're going to do gift cards. As you can see, coupons work incredibly well with CPA marketing campaigns, and individuals can win petrol vouchers. As you go down, you'll notice all of these different countries. I'll show you how to gain the links and promote various products by running free advertisements. So if the first offer we wanted to advertise were a $500 Woolworths gift card from Australia, you would copy and paste it into Notepad. Then scroll down further and pick Act Now for $750 PayPal gift card in the United States. And you'll see another email submit, which I'd click on and copy. Paste that into Notepad and put the US in front of it because we're going to list this when we put this link together because we want people in the correct countries to click on it so we can get paid even more money with the CPA marketing lessons and technique. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to promote these things with a single link so that people can click on these various ones, and then I'm going to show you where you're going to post this free ad. And I'll show you where you can get dozens of these different websites to advertise these CPA marketing offerings. The first thing you should do is go to a website called a linker. This is an incredible platform that will help you create several free links by advertising a single link. You can make your name, call it gift cards, giveaways, or whatever you like, as long as the name is available. When you sign up, your back office will have 3 offers, and I'll teach you how to make one of these. So you can start advertising it, and then I'll put up an ad with this link to show you how it will appear when it's finished. Okay, when you start, you'll have a blank canvas. All you have to do is click on it to add new. We made this basic notepad. So the first thing we want to do is duplicate the name. For example, get a $500 Woolworth gift card AUS and paste it next to the title. Then you must finish the headline, "Get a $500 Woolworth gift card if you are in Australia," by completing the entire sentence. Now all we need to do is paste the URL in here. But a link occasionally doesn't recognize certain links, so we need to copy the link from Notepad and go to this site called bit.ly.com. Okay, this is another free website for you. You don't even need to register for this website. Simply paste that in there and click on Shorten. It will give us a link. You should copy that and then go back to your Linktree profile and put it in the URL field. Double-click the green button twice, and a banner will appear. Now we must click on it to add a new offer, and we will repeat this step for all offers. So we just went through and finalized these 4 proposals. What you would do from here is click on To Share as an example, copy the link and paste it as whole new URL. Okay, I'll just copy and paste to show you what this looks like. So now that you have these deals and everything outlined for you to promote, I'll tell you where you can go to get these ads placed free. The website I'd like to present to you is called Worldprofit.com. So once you're on this platform, all you have to do is scroll down and you'll find that it's affiliated with over 12,000 different websites. And what they do is promote the advertising you place on this site. You can pay for these ads or put them up for free. So first and foremost, scroll down and click on to join our free membership. When you do that, it will take you to a website where you can sign up. You want to click on 2 free classified advertisements once you've signed up, and on the left-hand side, it reads a free classified ad. Then you should click on it to place a free ad. When you click on that, it will take you directly to the Worldprofit free classified page where all you need to do is scroll to the top and click on to post an ad, which will redirect you to the classified ad entry page when you finalize or put this ad together. So you're going to include a title. So that's what we're going to do. Put in a title that you can use, such as acquire a gift card. So we'll paste that here and obtain a gift card worth up to $750. So explain how you supply various gift cards to people and encourage them to click on the link below. Because we have a variety of countries available, all you have to do is click on the link below, input your email address, and fill out a little questionnaire. You can create a questionnaire or a survey, and then once you've finished, you'll be entered into a drawing for one of the amazing prizes. We have an offer. Click on the link below. The link they will be clicking on is the link, EE link. We're going to copy that, come back over to this site, and paste that link in the URL section. When you scroll down, you'll notice that you have a variety of various categories in which you can list this. And as you go down, you'll notice you have these freebies. So depending on your promotion, you can click on the freebies, for example. Then all you have to do is come over here and click on the Submit Ad button. When you click on Post Ad, you will notice that it has been posted. And you'll know that if you come up where it says to update your ad and click on it, you'll see that this is the ad that gets you a gift card worth up to $750. Now I'm going to show you a website where you may locate a variety of these websites. You should look at this web page and make a note of it. It's www.sitelike.org/similar/thefreeadforum.com. And if you scroll down, you'll discover a variety of websites where you can promote various deals and place free classified advertising if we return to the top. For example, classifiedads.com. Guys, this is an incredible website. You can market a variety of different types of niches and products. All you have to do is come up with many of these. You don't even need to log in. You can click on to post an ad. As you can see, absolutely free. Choose a category. It's entirely up to you to choose a subcategory. Let's just do financial services. Guys, you can put in a zip code from the United States, and it'll take you straight over to post this classified ad. Is super simple. Another is worldwide free classified advertising. And when you scroll down, you'll notice these distinct niches. Again, many of these do not require registration. So the first thing you need to do is go to CPAGrip.com and start making money through linked marketplaces. Subscribe for more related stuff if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video as well. Thank you, and take care.